Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create anonymous survey forms step by step. If we want to collect honest feedback while protecting people's privacy, this tutorial is for us. On our Google Forms dashboard, to create an anonymous survey, the first thing we need to do is click on the blank form. We go to the blank form, or we can choose from the existing templates if we prefer. Let's go with the blank form for now. Once we're here, we can add the title, a description, and our questions and answers. To make the form anonymous, we just need to go to Settings. Inside Settings, we click on Responses to open the drop-down menu. First, we make sure the Collect Email Addresses option is set to Do Not Collect. This keeps the form anonymous. Next, the Limit to One Response option should be turned off. These two settings together make our form fully anonymous. That way, when someone fills out the form, there is no need to collect an email, keeping everything private. This setup means our Google form will not collect any personal information or email addresses. By adjusting these form settings, participants can respond honestly and comfortably. And that's it. Now we know how to create an anonymous survey on Google Forms.